manufacturers, welding is one of the most critical yet challenging steps in production. Poor welding quality can lead to sensor failure, unstable resistance values, and high rejection rates, all of which can seriously impact your business. Traditional welding methods often cause wire oxidation, weak joints, and excess heat damage, leading to costly rework and material waste. That's why the world's largest temperature sensor companies trust TATE, the ultimate resistance spot welding machine designed for PT100, NTC, RTD, PT200, and PT1000 sensors. Why choose TATE? Universal compatibility. No need for multiple machines. TATE covers all sensor welding needs with precision and efficiency. Flawless weld quality. Prevents overheating, eliminates weak joints, and ensures long-lasting, reliable connections. Low heat welding technology protects delicate wires while maintaining optimal resistance values. Proven by industry leaders, the world's top temperature sensor manufacturers have already upgraded to TATE, shouldn't you? Your solution to welding challenges. Unstable welds. TATE ensures strong, consistent bonds with every weld. Struggling with material waste? Our precision energy control system reduces defects and boosts efficiency. Need higher production speed? TATE optimizes workflow, increasing throughput while maintaining superior quality. Contact us today. Join the global industry leaders who have made TATE their first choice for precision sensor welding. Tell WhatsApp +86 130 665 765. Email info@oktate.com. Don't wait. Upgrade now and transform your production efficiency.